Heyo, it's Ilaria again, and I've got something new for you. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Tek Recon Havok. Now I've already unboxed one of these, but I'll give you my first impressions as I go. So, first of all, the blaster comes in its box, which is nicely open, so you can see the beautiful metallic green and black of this thing. So, let's get to it. I'm just using some scissors. Open the box. Let's see. It opens on the other side better. Yeah, about that. Where does it open? Okay, I found it. It opens on the bottom. Well, the back of the box is kind of cool, too. It talks about, let's see. It talks about the blaster here with its expandable stock, power selector, rapid blast trigger, high capacity cartridge, holds 72 rounds, pump action trigger, these both, and power selector. This is a Picatinny rail. I approve. And on the other side, we got talking about the app. The app's pretty cool. I've tested it out with my Samsung Galaxy phone. I have not tested it out with my iPod, but I don't intend to because my phone works just fine. Thank you all the same. Anyway, so continuing on, let's continue with the unboxing. It comes with one Havok blaster, 36 rounds, one energy cartridge. That's a little gripe I have. It's just a little gripe. It doesn't come with all of the rounds needed. Nerf pulled this with a Hailfire, and I was a little annoyed. And no, I'm not reviewing the Hailfire, for Christ's sake. Let's see, how do I open this thing again? I'm not reviewing the Hailfire because I don't like it. It basically does everything the Raven does. It basically is exactly the same. It's basically a 144 dart Raven. And honestly, I could go on a 144 dart Raven. I would put it in. I would put the Raven. I would just get more clips for the Raven. Jeez. Anyway, let's bust this bad boy open and see what we got. This, by the way, is my first unboxing video ever. Normally I do my unboxings in privacy. But I like this way. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Oh. There we go. Now it's settled. I hope it didn't break anything in the box. But it didn't. Nothing in there. So, now that's aside, we have the Tek Recon again. I'm going to go around back, snip some cables. Hold on. This is what I see in back. Pretty complicated. So, let's get to snipping. Snip. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To get the blaster out. 6 snips for the blaster. And I believe 1, 2, 3, and where's the 4th? Right over there. 4, 1, 4 for the mag. Excellent. What else have we got in here? Well, let's see. We got something over here that looks kind of cool. There we go. Yeah, I like like already. So, we have the ammo and the smartphone mount. That's kind of cool. Oh, we also have some sort of cutout target right here. I'm going to take that out real quick. Just because, you know, I might as well have a target to shoot at. And of course there's tape in the way. The other target that I got was garbage. It was bent in the middle. This one's pretty awesome. Okay, there we go. No target. Put that right here. No, put it right down here. No. We'll talk about it later. Come on. It's the design is supposed to clip onto something. Unfortunately, they were not nice enough to include the clip. So now for the rounds. This video is taking forever. There we go. And of course, the rounds are taped to like this. Now, this blaster does not fire darts or discs. It fires little rubber bands called NRG rounds. I'll show you what this looks like fully assembled in a moment. I don't particularly want to deal with it right now. So, the NRG rounds, they look like SpaghettiOs. And they're covered in a little powder in order to keep them there. Now, nice thing about this clip is that it loads from, oh boy, I can't see. Well, anyway, it loads from here, and you can load it, oh, there we go. You can load it in here, and you can load it in here. Jungle style. That I approve. Here's a fully loaded one. You can see rings in there, and some more rings in there. So, that's that. Now let's talk about the blaster itself. Actually, you know what? Stop this video for now, upload it.